Stop wasting hundreds of dollars on expensive anti-aging serums. Today, I'm showing you the $0 Nature's Botox that is breaking the internet. Just one natural ingredient for that viral ultra glow and snatched skin. Let's make it. Our secret ingredient is flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. When you turn them into a gel, they act as a natural skin tightener, clearing up texture and giving you that instant glass skin finish. It's so simple. Step 1. Take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds and 1 cup of water. Step 2. Boil it on medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until it turns into a thick, egg white-like gel. Step 3. Strain it through a cloth or a strainer while it's still warm. And there you have it. Pure, organic, $0 beauty gel. Apply a thick layer to your clean face. Always use upward motions to help lift the skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it completely dries. You'll feel your skin tightening instantly. Then, wash it off with cold water and follow up with your favourite moisturiser. Look at that glow! My skin feels so firm and smooth. This is the ultimate nature's gift for anyone on a budget. If you want more $0 beauty secrets, hit that subscribe button and join our Nature's Beauty Tips family. Comment GLOW if you're trying this today.